Welcome back guys to Wearholic. Today I am going to be talking about how to turn off or on gym workout detection on Apple Watch. First, press the crown button to open the app drawer and now open the settings on the Apple Watch. Here, scroll down below to look for workout settings. On the next screen, scroll below and look for the Detect Gym Equipment option. Now you can simply toggle on or disable Workout Detect Gym Equipment using this toggle. If it is green, then it means currently gym workout detection is enabled on your Apple Watch. So turn it off. So guys, that is how you enable or disable Workout Detect Gym Equipment on your Apple Watch. Hopefully you found the video useful. If you did, then press that like and subscribe button to show us your appreciation. I would also recommend checking out my 17 hidden tips and tricks video of Apple Watch SE2 being displayed on the screen right now. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you here next time.